GPSCच्या ज्युनियर स्केल ऑफिसर पोस्टाच्या एग्जामीक लेट आयले म्हण दक्षिण गोंयांत सुमार 80 भुरग्यांक एग्जाम दिवंक मेळ्ळी ना। भुरगीं आतां एग्जामी खातीर भरिल्ली 1000 फी परत दिवची म्हण मागतात। सेंटराचेर रिपोर्टिंग टायम आशिल्लो 9 ते 9:30 मजगती, मात कांय भुरगीं लेट पावलीं। कांय जाणांनी डॉक्युमेंट हाडूंक नाशिल्ले।
We have already given instruction. But how will we by 9:30? All the 9:30. Exact time दिले ना 9:30.
भुरगे आता एग्जामी खातीर भरिल्ले 1000 रिफंड मागतात।
We are here at the Goa Engineering College to answer exam of the Goa Public Service Commissioner. We have exactly reached at 9:30 as per the guidelines given here. Reporting timing is 9:30 to 9 o'clock to 9:30 and the exam timing is 11:30 to 12:30. Why is the harassment for us? Why is the government playing with the future of the students? We exactly if it's a problem, you should have mentioned here in the guidelines that it is strictly to come at 9 o'clock to 9:30.
Today is Sunday also, there are no buses also. We can't blame it people are coming from all the way from all the far places. They should have at least kept some things, like bus and all. But now we're coming by machine. The machine can break down any time.
Paper has not yet started.
No, the paper has not yet started. It's clearly showing here. If you see, it is 11:30 to 12:30. We should be given chance to enter inside because we are sharp at 9:30. That means the minister can come and cut the ribbon late. And the students here have the faith of the students here are playing with it for what reason? Mr. Parikar, you want the future of the children to be better or you want the minister's future to be better? You have to think about it.
I came all the way from Vasco and even I reached at 9:30 and the door was closed. We have requested them so many times to talk to the concerned person, but there is no response from them. We have money. Yeah, refund our money. We require refund. If they are not allowing, see, we have paid for that exam, computer exam. So obviously they have to refund us.
I had only had my hall ticket, so they told me that to get your election ID card. Since I had forgot it, so I had gone, and they told me to get it, and they will take you. But I come exactly at 9:30 around, but they're not taken only. After 9:30, they had pushed everyone out.
जी एग्जाम आसा 11:30 आणि GPSCची ज्युनियर स्केल ऑफिसर एग्जाम आसा हे अशें फर्स्ट टाइम जाला। हेच्या पयलीं अशें केन्नाच जावंक ना आणि हे तुम्ही 15 सुद्दां मिनटां ग्रेस दिवप ना म्हणल्यार दिस रॉंग एक्चुअली। यू आर डिनायिंग अ कॅरियर एट फॉर अ पर्सन आणि अशें आयकूंक येयलां की दुसऱ्या जाग्यांचेर खंय अलाव केला म्हणून भुरग्यांक। सो आमी म्हणटा हेचेर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवची गव्हर्मेंटान, अशें जावचें न्हय।
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।
मुरगांव कोऑपरेटिव्ह इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटीन चिखले पंचायतीक टॅक्स फारीक करूंक जाय म्हण पंचायत मंत्री माविन उलयला। पंचायतीन अभ्यास करून टॅक्स थारावचो। इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटीचो रस्तो पंचायत खातें करतले म्हण माविन उलयला। चिखले पंचायत आनी मुरगांव कोऑपरेटिव्ह इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटाच्या मंडळाची खासा मीटिंग जाली। म्हयन्या पयलीं प्रुडंटान तांच्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर रिपोर्ट केल्लो।
मुरगांव कोऑपरेटिव्ह इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी कडल्यान चडसो ऑक्ट्राव येना म्हूण चिखले पंचायतीन ही गजाल दाबोळचो आमदार पंचायत मंत्री माविना कडेन व्हेली। माविनान पंचायत आनी इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांची मिटींग घेतली। इंडस्ट्रीच्या बोर्डान तांच्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक पंचायतीक टॅक्स भरूंक सांगचो म्हूण माविन उलयलो।
Actually has not been designated as the industrial estate, but commercial activity is going on. Not a single unit except bearing one we are paying any dues to the panchayat in terms of taxes or in terms of other revenue accruing to the panchayat. So in principle today at a joint meeting with the panchayat, Murgaon Industrial Estate and me chairing the meeting, we have decided that they will go back to all their members, to their board of directors, convey to all the members that they have to pay some dues to the panchayat. Panchayat will immediately go and do a fresh assessment as to what economic activity is taking place. They will, after assessment, fix a tax that has to accrue to the panchayat.
मुरगांवची ही इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट चिखले कम्युनिदाद जमनीचेर उबी जाल्या। केस कोर्टात आसा।
Chikali Komdat has a grievance that not a fine has been paid to the Komdat. All this land in the name of industrial estate has been occupied for so long illegally
96,800 स्क्वेअर फुटाचो लँडार तांच्यानी ती इंडस्ट्री उबारल्या पळय न्ही, सगळी इलिगल. इट्स अ बिग स्कॅम ऑफ 192 crores and matter is in court, so I can't talk.
Somebody makes a allegation that it's illegal. I can't say it's illegal. It has to be proved. All those factors are there, so we will not get involved in that.
इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांची पंचायत आणि पंचायत मंत्र्यांबरोबर 15 उपरांत ह्या विशयाचेर रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग जातली.
The Honorable Minister made a statement that there are a lot of issues pertaining to this industrial estate vis-a-vis the Panchayat and the Umandar. And he called for a meeting, so we came for the meeting to listen to him whatever. So he conveyed what exactly is their expectation. So based on that, we put it up to the board, and then we, as I said, in the next 15 days we'll have another meeting with the Honorable Minister and see what is to be done.
इंडस्ट्रीच्या वाठारांतल्या रस्त्याचे काम इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांनी करपाचे काय पंचायतीन होय प्रश्न बसकेत आयलो.
As far as the road is concerned and the dilapidated road, it is the responsibility of the government. We cannot ask private people to do roads, so we will be doing the roads.
महिन्या पयलीं प्रुडंटान चिखले इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर रिपोर्ट केल्लो. हालचाल आतां निकती सुरू जाल्या. पंचायतीच्या टॅक्साच्या प्रस्तावाक इंडस्ट्रीचे रिस्पॉन्साचेर थंयचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचो फुडार. प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
फोटो जर्नलिस्ट असोसिएशन गोवाचो वर्सुकी दिसाचो सुवाळो जालो. एनिवर्सरी निमतान घेतिल्ल्या फोटोग्राफी सर्तीची इनामां दिलीं. ज्येष्ठ फोटोग्राफरांचो भोवमान जालो. मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार आनी कला संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडे सुवाळ्याक आशिल्ले.
मांडवी पुलार शुक्रारा जाल्ल्या ट्रॅफिक जॅमा वयल्यान ताणें मिडियाचे जर्नलिझम वयर काडले.
फुल कास्ट करता आसतना तिसऱ्या P29 P30चे कोण P31 म्हणजे तो तिसरो खांबो त्या सायडीच्या ताजे कोण कास्ट करता आसतना मशीन कॉन्क ऑफ जालें. पंप बेगीन नवो पंप हाडचो पडलो. तातूंत अडचण अशी आहा, खरो म्हणजे 5-5:30 वरांक ते सोंपूंक जाय आसलें. पण अडचण अशी आहा की ते कास्ट करता आसतना कंटिन्युटी दवरली ना जाल्यार फाल्यां त्या कोनांत क्रॅक येतलो. कारण 2 सिमेंटाचे डिफरंट लेयर्स चलना. त्यामुळे बेगीन पंप हाडून ते कंटिन्युअस दवरचे पडले. येयल्लो तातूंत लेट जालो, 8:30 जाली. एक पूल कंप्लीट बंद दवरल्यामुळे ट्रॅफिक जाम जालो. पण ना, बातमी छापली. दॅट कुड हॅव बीन ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूज. हांव इतलेंच म्हणटा की रिस्पॉन्सिबल जर्नलिझम इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर डेमोक्रेसी.
सुवाळो 19 ऑगस्टाक जावपाचो आशिल्लो. आचारसंहितेक लागून खंय तेन्ना जाली ना. ते निमतान मुख्यमंत्र्यान आचारसंहितेचो विशय काडलो. सरकाराच्या कामाक खंय परत आचारसंहिता आड येता.
अनेक गजाली हांव कोणाक पळयता ज्यो येतात पळय, ऑफिसच चलना. त्यामुळे आयज जाता आसतना हांव तुमकां इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की हांवें ऑलरेडी पत्र बरयलें ह्या संदर्भात की अनेक प्रोग्राम जे आसा ते प्रोग्रामाक आनी कोणाचो कांय संबंद नासतना सुद्दां सगळ्या प्रोग्रामाक खळ हे करून व्हर्च्युअली एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पॅरलायज करप हो इलेक्शन कोणाचो अर्थ जावपाक.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.
घेवया एक ब्रेक.